Invite collaborator problem, easy and fast, fix it on Instagram app. So all what you have to do guys is very simple, so please keep watching until the end. First step is open the settings. After you open the settings on your phone, you will have many options. First thing you want to do is go to the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, as you can see. Now go to the Play Store right here. Let's search for Play Store, click on it and click on the force stop, and then go back and search for Instagram, click on it, click on force stop and go to storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then go to the home page. And last tip what you want to do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. Now click on update to update your Instagram on Play Store. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end.